Windy City, Second City, Big Shouldered City. All of these nicknames have been given to Chicago, the shoulders of one of Chicago's finest sons, Michael Jordan, the biggest I can think of right now. In most people's eyes, he's the best basketball player ever. But are you ever curious where about his iconic mansion? What's up guys? Welcome back to Refined Wealth. For this video, we are going to explore once again some of the finest world luxuries that will get you amazed. Of course, to some, MJ is one of the most recognizable figures in US history, and to others, he is the greatest athlete of all time. Michael Jordan is the symbol of Chicago, even more than the city's famous buildings. With us, let's have a tour of the site where so much of Michael's amazing tale unfolded. You can see the numeral 23 on the gates, which tells it all. From there, you may access the long, exquisite driveway surrounded by trees that leads to the motor court. Did you know that they have imported over 150 trees to border this land? That way, it seems quite remote and very private. This rounded glass block wall is fantastic because it lets in so much natural light. There is marble flooring throughout the house, which probably costs a lot. Let's move on to the living room. Here is where you'll find the main sitting arrangement, including leather sofas and chairs. A lot of natural light and soothing views of the trees and scenery beyond are provided by the glass walls. In this lofty chamber, we have beautiful wooden floors. Next, we have a lovely little sitting space just off the foyer with stunning millwork. These leather-wrapped bookcases are old and meaningful, so this is a plus for the bookworms out there. The marble-faced fireplace takes center stage, and the room's otherwise uniform hardwood flooring serves as a uniting design element. We also have two workplaces within the library itself. The first one has a built-in desk, some modern light fixtures up high, and some wall sconces on the side that faces the parking lot. And now the second office, which was formerly located elsewhere. This is Mr. Jordan's actual office. This is a fantastic room with hardwood flooring, a handcrafted desk like this one with interesting angles and up-to-date lighting. We have picture windows that look out onto the putting green. Now, let's make headway towards the dining area. There are only 10 of these tables in history, and they are known as the Baghdad table. And moreover, it is symbolic of Baghdad's extremely unusual city grid. And of course, we gotta unravel the kitchen. From this doorway, we can enter the contemporary kitchen with its center island and sleek cabinets. Our Gaggenau gas stoves and griddle are located here. Above that is your commercial vent. This is a three-toned kitchen with darker cabinets and a wine cooler on the opposite wall. The island and the lower cabinets both have an aluminum finish. This kitchen is bright and airy thanks to the glass doors on the dry pantry and pony wall to the right. An island with a sink, casement windows that look out into the trees on the property, and not one but two dishwashers. And aside from those, it also includes higher cabinets and open storage. Let's go outside and take a look at the backyard right now. Here, you've got an elongated patio with a ton of extra space, including a fire pit and some outdoor chairs. This site houses your stainless steel outdoor kitchen, and a motorized awning extends over the nearby seating area to offer additional protection from the sun. Can you imagine spending your lazy afternoons here? What's more, it cost Mr. Jordan over $50 million to construct this home. So the new owner is getting a big discount. Before we forget, let's go to the pool pavilion. This is another huge and excellent entertaining area. Here, you'll find a lounge area with a 110-inch TV and two complete bathrooms. We have a traditional one, a brand new one, and an ultra-modern one, just to start. And in the very middle, this whole skylight roof assembly lets in an abundance of sunlight. Now, this is where you can elevate your party game. As it is, we have the blinds drawn. But on the other side of this room are sliding glass doors that go out to a patio with a fountain. You can enter your motor court from this space, and I find the water element to be a calm addition. Inviting guests won't have to travel through the home but rather directly to the pool pavilion or backyard, so don't worry. Next, I'd want to show a space that is unlike any other in the house, and also happens to be one of my favorites. Lastly, let's unwrap the courthouse for hoops. The basketball arena is along this lengthy corridor. It's a huge room with leather furniture, a television over there, a bar to my left, and a door leading out to the motor court and a parking lot to my right. From here, you may access the tennis court, pond, and yard beyond the fence on the property's side. That's a lot of features going to the best court in Chicago. The entire estate is monitored by a team of guards who live on the premises and use a network of security cameras. Here we are, finally, on the actual basketball court. This is the moment you all are probably waiting for. There is no doubt that you are seeing one of the most prestigious private basketball courts in the whole country, if not the entire globe. If these walls could tell tales, it's safe to say they had played here. In the mornings, his team would gather here to practice while their chef prepared breakfast in the pavilion we just explored. The Jumpman logo is also flashed in front and center for us. If you look closely, Mr. Jordan's kids' names are written around the Jumpman emblem. This amenity is also coupled with a large entertainment space with a theater, billiards table, and seating places just off the landing. It's the most creative aspect of the house. Remember, this home was built in 1995, had a partial makeover in 2007 and 2008, and this is essentially the original portion that was left untouched. Obviously, this is just crazy. Seeing Michael Jordan's private basketball court inside his insane mansion was the highlight of making this channel, in my opinion. And now we've unveiled some of its key features. What do you like the most? If you had the money, will you buy this gigantic mansion? Leave a comment and tell us what you think about this. Don't forget to like this video, and since you're already here, you might as well subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on great new videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.